Hello folks, this is Jason. Today I'd like to talking about TWS API and show you guys how to get the real-time data from TWS WorkStation. What's mean by that? This is our TWS WorkStation, right? And we can press order, get the information just from manually, okay, by our hand to get the information. Press order by this one, but we also can write a program, okay? Write a program to get the information and get the data. Press order from here, okay? Okay, this is order, okay? So that's what I mean. So then just started, okay? We just started. We're going to Yahoo, Google TWS API. Click here, we get this one. Then click yes, and then I say save. Okay, after the download, finish the download, I run. Next, I accept the term of the license agreement. Then, because I not use this one in C disk, so I use it in a C JTS, and also I like to remove the space here. Okay, so I install TWS API at under C drive and under C JTS folder. Okay, next, finish. Okay, so now we here JTS TWS API. We have two very simple files I need to copy. First one is a C# API.dll. Copy. I press replace, okay, and then I go to C#. I need to copy this file, this piece of program, copy, paste. Okay, so this two program is very important, two piece program. Okay, so now we're starting from Visual Studio 2015. New project. Okay, Windows Phone. TWS Get Real-Time Data. Okay, so we're starting from here, and besides this, I have to add a reference here. So before doing this, we just move the two program, copy these two program, copy C#, get the real-time data, paste here, because this our program will increase, generate our program here. Okay, so now go back to here. So reference, add reference. So we browse, C# get real-time data. Okay, here, this one, we add this one reference and say okay. Now you see this C# API, And besides this, I need to get another piece of A at existed. This one, this is the one, okay. So now we have to change the namespace here because our main program we will call main program GTS copy paste. Okay, that's what I have to do now. So now we go to the web page here, the tutorial how to program this program. Okay, this page have a lot of program we can run from there, but today I want to talking about the IB TWS C# socket API C# window phone. We need a window phone. Okay, it also has a console, but console is not used for us, so that's why I want to get here. So I click here. Okay, just a programming interactive broker socket client API using C# window phone real-time data. Okay, that's a web page teach us how to do this. Okay, I just make a video, make it more simple, more clear. Okay, so that page 2. Now we have to create from my TWS WorkStation. We have to make a setting. Okay, here. Okay, configuration. So API setting here. So we click this one, check this one. Okay, if you like to use Excel, okay, you can click this, but we don't use Excel, so we just uncheck this one. And also I would like to add this one, edit. Yeah, that's 127.0.0.1. That means the connection come from the local machine. If you like to connect the TWS workstation from other computer, you can describe another computers. It is IP address there. Okay, you can edit, create, and put IP address there. Okay. So now, but we just connect from my computer together. Okay, that's what I mean. And besides this, you have to, when you do any modification, you have to apply here. Okay, so that's it. Okay, that's okay. Let me start. So one more time, we like to use this one. Okay, now go to page 2. Page 2, yeah, this one already did, right? So okay, page 3. Yeah, they show you guys how to install whatever. Okay, install the API, something like that. I already did. You can just follow me. And this one is explain. We create a user application C#, C++, Java, Excel, and Python, and connect to TWS interactive broker trade workstation and connect to interactive broker data center. Then we can get the real-time market data. Okay, so page 5. Page 5, just some description there, okay. Your time you can read it, okay. And page 6. So we already did this one. Just use Visual Studio to create a project, and also we add the C# API.dll to include there, add to the reference. Okay, we already did this one. Okay, and we create a project here. We already did. Okay, so page 8. Browse. Yeah, we already did this. Yeah, to add reference to the program. Okay, and by the way, we need to change this one. Okay, so build any CPU, we change it to x86. Okay, and we go next page. We add this piece program into the project. We already did. Okay, now so we have to change this the namespace. Okay, follow it, but because my namespace, my main program's namespace is TWS Get Realtime Data, so we change this one here. Okay, so that's what I mean. And next step, 10, page 10. So on program C, we have to add this one, program CS. Okay, copy, and we copy this piece, copy, copy, paste here. Also, I need to add this piece to my main program. Okay, to my main program here. Okay, so yeah, this I already did, and then we copy this one to main program. Copy, because a namespace problem. Okay, so just paste here, so it should be okay now. But because it's gray out, means that we don't necessarily need this piece. Okay, that's it. That's good enough. Okay, so next step, initial. Copy. That's namespace, so it's okay too. So just we don't need that. Yeah. Okay. So that's good. Okay. Next step. So we need to create connect the icon, okay, the button, connect the start stop and text box and this box, okay. So let's do it. Because I already have this program from before. So we just copy those, okay, save some time here. Copy, copy, paste. Okay, so we already get the icon here. So for button, text box and this box, okay. So next step, on the button connect, okay. So we add this piece program here, copy, button connect, paste, okay. And also we need this in button connect, okay. And button disconnect, copy, button disconnect, okay. So this starting button, okay, we add this piece. Copy. Start. Paste. Okay, this start button, okay, and stop. This is a stop, okay. Copy. Stop. Stop. Stop button. Okay, means that this is to cancel, and his y is 1 because when we connect it, we say 1, ID 1 and YD 1. Just match together. Okay. So next step, 14. Yeah, we have to add this piece dedicate to main phone. That's very important. Okay. So phone. Okay, so this piece program here. And next step, I'm going to this program. Okay, we add this piece, copy. We add this one on the top. Means we connect phone 1 and this class together. Okay, see. Oh, this will be assigned a main phone once we connect. Okay, so that's what the programs mean. So then we go to the ticket price. We copy this piece. Copy. Ticket price here. So send those information to main form. That's what the programs mean. So this ticket size, copy. We don't need a console. Okay. Okay. So next step. Okay, so we had to go to the connect icon to add this part. Copy. Just a connect icon button. Connect. Pass. Okay. So then 15. We run this program. 16. Finish. Okay, so now look okay now. So we just build and run this program. Now when MSFT connect, okay, the Tws WorkStation gonna asking, do you want to connect? You say yes, yes, and start. So we get the Microsoft market data here. Okay, so we want to I like to modify this program a little bit. Okay, continue, connect. So I want to connect 127.0.0.1. So what's it mean by that? Do this with the workstation, won't ask me again want to connect or no. Okay, see, we try one more time. Connect. So now didn't ask anymore. So MSFT. Okay, so start it. Okay, so now I'd like to modify this one to Nasdaq future. Okay, FUT smart GLOBEX. How do I know what I know this Globex? Okay, we go into here, Nasdaq. Okay, financial instrument information description. So exchange is a Globex. Okay, multiples 20 and the trading class NQ. Expiry day, last trading day is March 20, 2020. Okay, so because this one don't need this. Okay, and we add 2 items. See you on contract that multi-pro. Y is 20. here says multiple is 20. Okay. And multiple. Last trading day. Last trading day, March 20. Okay. 2020. That's what I mean. Okay, it look okay now, so we can build, run, connect, start. Okay, we get the market data now. Because this one we not the program is just example. It's not very tell you something, but you after finish the program, after we modify the program, okay, you can be like that. Okay, what I show you. It will display the information. Display the information here. Okay, the bid ask last change and low, and the bid size, asking size, and last size. Okay, awarding how much here. Okay, so that's what I mean. So after, but for this program, we just will stop here. Okay, we'll stop here because another part needed more time. So I will describe those steps on the video too. Okay, so but for this one, just very basic stuff. So how to connect TWS and get the market data. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching, and you are interested, I will continue to have video 2 next step. Okay, to make it more fancy. Okay, thank you.